Oh, it's so good. Yum. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Hawa Hassan. I'm back with all my Somaliness. Today we're making sugo, which is one of the main meals in Somalia. It's our pasta sauce, which we graciously inherited from the Italians, but we've obviously put our own twist on it because we're Somalis, and that's what we do. We love warm spices. Hawaj happens to just be the backbone of a lot of our dishes. This is what it ends up being, but I want to introduce you guys to what it originally is. So we've got coriander, cinnamon, cardamom pods, peppercorn, cloves, and just some turmeric. We toast everything except for the turmeric, grind everything, then it ends up being this, which is used in a lot of our rice, our pastas, in our stews. In terms of flavors, this is not very far off from the spices we used in our digagumbe. If you're familiar with garam masala, this is literally the garam masala of Somalia. I'm excited to make this because it just takes up the flavor of our pasta sauce and it turns it into something that is traditionally Somali. We make ours with ground turkey, so that is special because it's the way that it's made in our household, and that's what I'm here to share today. In Somali cooking, oftentimes we use red onion. We have this saying where we say we don't trust you unless you use the red onion in your cooking. So I'm gonna start with chopping this. So you cut the onion, you can cut it however you want. You can chop it, or you can have big chunks. So we're getting the base of the sauce ready. Let's head over so we can do the olive oil and start combining the sauce. I'm gonna turn this on medium heat. I'm gonna have about a half a cup of olive oil. First of all, I'm gonna let the olive oil heat a bit. I'm gonna add the onions. Then I'm gonna add my garlic and hawaj. Let that all come together and build. From there, I'll put the ground turkey in. I'll add my tomatoes and we'll let it sit for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna throw the onions in now. I'm gonna sweat this out a little bit and then let them brown. Shortly after that, I'll add my garlic and hawaj. What is this? You've got this. All the encouragement I need. Can I use this?
Yes.
All right. We'll do that. Follow me back so we can get the spices. Get my workout in today. The main difference in our pasta sauce really is the fact that we use, as I was saying earlier, the hawaj. And what the hawaj really does is it gives it a different flavor and it makes it warmer, and it gives it just like an earthy, aromatic flavor, and that's honestly what makes this so good. So a tablespoon of this will, as you'll soon smell, will change the whole dish, because nothing here is out of the ordinary. All these things are things you can find in any grocery store. This is the only difference. We blend that on our own. So I'm going to throw in the garlic along with that. It's pretty. Just for the culture, I'm going to add a bit more hawaj. It won't change it. It maybe will be a stronger taste, but it won't change the flavor at all. It's not going to be too salty or too sweet or anything like that. I'm going to then throw in our green bell pepper. I like to use green bell pepper, but you could use red pepper. That's of interest to you. So this is going to add a bit more water to the dish, which is getting it ready for our tomatoes. This is my favorite meal. I make this every Sunday for myself. I often eat it over a sweet potato, a baked sweet potato. It reminds me of my childhood, the smell of it, and whenever I'm missing my mother, it's my go-to. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and let it all come together. So everything is brown and it's come together. I'm gonna throw in our ground turkey to bring it all together. Let the turkey brown. It's weird because it comes so natural for me to make it. I'm from a family of 10 kids and I'm the second eldest. I'm the eldest daughter. So it's something that you would make for the group when everyone is together. It's an easy way to feed a large group of people, but it's also really perfect for me now because I get to have all these feelings of home and I get to feel like I'm in my mother's house, but I also am able to eat this for like a week. I might even add more hawaj. I'm really loving the smell in here. I'm not very particular in regards to the way that I cut my onions or my pepper. Sometimes I really do like the chunkiness of it. It makes the meal, or it makes this feel a bit heartier. So Let it go. All right, we're ready. We're ready for the tomatoes. I'm just gonna dump it all, cover it a bit so I don't get splashed. These are just diced tomato. You can use any version of it. We do keep the juices of the tomato. Don't worry, it'll taste so good on your pasta. I'm gonna add a bit more hawaj. Just gonna sprinkle it all over. Fold everything together before I cover it. So we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and then come back to it. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. It is done. I'm gonna just give it a bit of a taste. I wanna see if it needs a bit more hawaj. It's incredible. Just joking, but it doesn't need anything. I'm gonna go back over there and start plating. You see those kitchen hands? I didn't even need a towel. All right, obviously we've got bananas. You don't have to eat everything with a banana, but Somali people do, and I wanna stay true to that. We have spaghetti. Obviously Somalis eat a good amount of that. I'm gonna just plate some here. I throw the sugo right on top. Get some cilantro. I love cilantro. Then in the meantime, I'll get some juice out of this lemon, or lime. I'll get some juice out of this lime. But if you have a lemon on hand, you could use that as well. We love sweet, savory, and sour together. Anyone want to try this with me? Gabby?
Gabby! Hey, Gabby! Come on down.
You're texting who?
Texting at work?
Yeah, when I'm texting for her. Hi.
Hi, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Wait, can you like walk
Yes.
me through? Because I see a banana and
I want you to try it all. So this is
Okay.
a recipe. This is Somalia's pasta sauce. It's
Okay.
sugo.
sugo.
Italian,
Oh,
right?
okay. Yeah.
And so the only difference is that we use hawaj, which is
Okay.
all of these spices you see here.
I love that.
We toast it, ground it, and it turns into this. Want to smell it?
Yes. Oh wow.
Yeah. So that's
Like
the base of that.
coriander. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
I want you
Alright.
to try it with
Going
me,
in?
and then I want you to have it with a bite of banana for the culture.
Will the banana be like the replacement of like the bread when you're pushing, or why the banana?
We eat everything with banana. We love sweet and
Right.
savory together.
Right. No, me too. That's a big thing. Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
All right. I'm the only one eating it.
I mean, you're
Oh.
doing the honors.
Do you wanna make a different plate? So.
Yeah.
I mean,
oh,
I'm
that's
not-
true.
I'm
I
not-
could. We don't.
Taste together?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
You wanna do like
Same plate, it's fine.
Lady on the Trump, like.
This is enough.
Okay. Let me know what you think, and take a bite of banana as well.
It's a good amount of spiciness for me, because sometimes I chicken out. I'm too weird. I'm going with the back.
Okay.
I'm gonna taste this. So there is tomatoes, and the green is
Bell pepper, green bell pepper,
nice.
garlic.
Nice. We are fans of green pepper. Brad, myself, not these fancy people here.
Or what did they?
They don't like green pepper. Okay, here we go.
You got the hang of it. I like it.
I like this.
Thank you,
It's a
Gabby.
new thing. Banana everywhere. I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I might have some more when you're done.
Yeah, I'll make you a plate.
I appreciate it. Thanks.
No worries. Happy Friday.
Thank you.
Sugo,
Are you ready for me?
spaghetti, hawaj, banana, cilantro. You got it. 30 minutes and change, and you've got your weekly night meal. I hope you guys will make it. I like mine al dente. Is that? It's a thing, right?
Oh, yes.
Joking.